Hey, it's Katie bringing you today's deal on the Secure Stitch Liquid Sewing Kit. Now you may have seen this on TV, so let's take a look at the commercial.
Secure Stitch, the brilliant liquid sewing solution that repairs tears in a flash, mends holes, and hems clothes. Secure Stitch's secret is its nanobond polymer, which weaves together fibers for a microscopic permanent bond. Washer and dryer proof. Secure Stitch comes with an on-the-go applicator, perfect for emergency repairs. Perfect for crafting. Repair torn upholstery. Fast. Safe on any material.
As you can see, this is super quick and easy to use. I even tried it myself. All you have to do is apply the fabric solution, let it dry, and you're all good to go. And you're gonna get everything that you see here. You're gonna get the 4-ounce bottle of solution, which is perfect for cotton, denim, and other fabrics, as well as the 2-ounce bottle, which is absolutely perfect for leather, polyester, and acrylics. And you're also gonna get 2 empty applicator bottles, which is perfect to put the solution in, throw into a backpack or purse, and bring with you anywhere on the go. And last but not least, you're gonna get 2 measuring clips and 1 silicone applicator. Now you are going to get a fantastic deal on this. You're gonna get this entire kit for a super low price, and you're gonna wanna stock up. So head on over to our site and grab yours today.